Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch me make this hit. What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? What's good? What's good with you today? What's good with you? So, today I have an apartment haul for you guys. But first off, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subbies who support moi. Okay? Because I love all my supporters genuinely. Because it's YouTube stuff, let me tell you, it ain't easy. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep getting these videos out, even though I took a long break. You know, if you didn't watch my last video, I did a little update of what's going on. So go watch that, my little life update, or what's going on with me, if you care to know. So like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy this video. Whew. But yeah, so for this apartment haul, I shopped at mostly like Big Lots, Target. I don't have the receipts, and I don't know how much half the stuff was, but I know that I did my best to find stuff that's cheap, but not too cheap, because some stuff you can't buy cheap because it won't last long. So let's just get into it. I don't have links because I didn't get any of my stuff online. I bought it in the store. But this stuff here is from Dollar Tree, all in this bag, I believe. So let's just hop into it. Let's just do it, okay? Once I can get the dang bag open. Okay, so this is like mostly kitchen stuff, cleaning stuff. I got some of these sponges. You know, you gotta scrub a dub, keep it clean in the house, okay? Gotta keep it clean. And it comes with 6 in the pack. And it was just $1, more than likely, because it's in a dollar store. I definitely saved some money shopping at the dollar store, okay? And then I got some cabinet liners. You know, to line the cabinet so you don't jack up the cabinet or whatever. You don't want to mess up the cabinet, because then they're going to blame you for it, and it wasn't even your fault. So you got to line the cabinets, okay? And these definitely were probably $1 from a dollar store. Yeah, get you some. You always want to line the cabinets because you want to keep it nice and neat. Keep it cute. Okay, you got to keep it cute. This is bathroom stuff. But I got some toothbrushes. Gotta keep those teeth clean. You know, just in case I need a new toothbrush, I got one. Just because I have a little guest or whatever, you know, they have some toothbrushes. I got some carpet cleaner. Ooh. Hawaiian Passion. Yes. Hawaiian Passion. Gonna have it smelling good up in there. You know, when I first got this, I didn't know how to use it. I was like, how do you use this? Because this just looks confusing. But I guess you're supposed to like punch it in, and then that's how you open it. But I was like, this is so confusing. Like, why don't they have directions on these bottles? I don't understand. They don't have no directions on how to open this bottle. That's just dumb. And then I have this soap holder. You know, of course I could have got plastic. This wasn't from the dollar store. This was from Target. Right here. And I also got think I got a soap holder with this, but it might be in a different bag, but it's a soap holder. I mean, I got a soap dispenser with this, but it's not in this bag. But this was from Target. And then I got the soap. I think there's something spilling here. Hold on. Okay, I'm about to say, nobody had time for that. But I got the soaps. They smell good. They smell real good. We got vinegar and lime. Fruity sensation. Fruity sensation. And then we got grapefruit. From the dollar store. From the dollar store, okay? I didn't spend that much on this soap. I just got it for a little bit, and that was it. And then next, gotta pack all this back in the bag. Yeah. And then I got this. Wait, why did I get this? What is this? Oh, it's a potato masher. I love potatoes. I love potatoes. I love me some potatoes. I gotta have some potatoes. They so good. They so good. I gotta bag them downstairs right now. But yeah, we gonna be mashing the potatoes today. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. I'll mash the potatoes. And this was from the dollar store. That's gonna come in handy because I love my potatoes. Okay. And then we got a peeler, a potato peeler. I call it a potato peeler. Or whatever you got to peel, you got to peel for it, okay? Pariana.com. And this was also $1. And I have my fan running in the background. I hope I'm talking loud enough for you to hear me. I'm so sorry. I forgot about that. I'm going to turn that back on so I can take it back down to where it belongs. Next, this is Bed Bath & Beyond. I don't know if anything in here is from them. Oh yeah, never mind, it is. I lied. So we got some tones from Bed Bath & Beyond. Like I said, I don't know how much any of this crap was. I have receipts sitting around somewhere in my car because that's where all they are. All of them are. But this is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And I mean, I would have went with the plastic tones, but I wanted something that was gonna last a long time, so I got the stainless steel ones. Yeah. And then this was also from Bed Bath & Beyond. Got some measuring cups. You know, we gotta measure stuff out or whatever. I'm sorry, like I said, I really wish I knew how much this stuff was, but it's been a minute. So I don't know, I'm so sorry. But you know why I got it, girl. You know why I got it. And then I got an even bigger measuring cup. I feel like I only need 2, you know, I don't think I need a bunch. So I just got one small one, big one. It's a little dirty, but that's all right. We're gonna wash it. Pack that back in. And then I have stuff from Big Lots. Now Big Lots is a really great store to shop for your apartment essentials, okay? For your apartment essentials. So I got me a little tiny little grater or whatever. It's a little grater. You know, you want to grate your little cheese, you want to grate your little onions, make them into little bits. You know, you got you a little cheese grater, okay? Don't play with me. And it was only a few dollars. I would say maybe between let's say $2 to $3 maybe, or somewhere around there. Because Big Lots is cheap, but they have some good stuff. Then I also got this utensil set. It's plastic. I hope to get stainless steel eventually, but these were like, I believe $5 or like $4, somewhere around there for a pack of these. You know, you get all what you need right here. Okay. And then I got all the measuring cups. We got all the measuring cups. Okay, what size you need, boo-boo? What size you need? You better measure your stuff out. Don't be just pouring anything in there. Don't do that. But it's literally got every size. Literally. And this had to be like $5, I believe. Big Lots is kind of easier to remember those prices because they was like, it didn't have no cents behind $1, so it was just the dollar, you know. So yeah, if I made any sense there. So that was that. And I also got stuff from Target. I got a cutting board. I got a small one because my place is not small. Yeah, and it's nice and sturdy. You know, you need something to chop your stuff on. You can't be chopping it on a nasty table, all right? You can't do that. Don't do it. Then I got me a little pizza slicer right here. You know, when you have some pizza and they don't cut it all the way through and you need to slice it, you got your pizza slicer. It's from Target. I mean, they had it at the dollar store, but I was feeling the material. I was like, you know, I don't mean to be bougie, but like, I can't buy everything cheap. Cause some stuff I just be like, I want stuff to like last me for a while. I don't want to have to waste money and buy it again anytime soon. So sometimes that's how I'm thinking when I'm buying stuff. But pizza slicer. And then I got the whisk, because I'm going to be whipping. Okay? I'm going to be whipping. You know, I'm not the best cook. I mean, I know how to cook. But I definitely want to learn how to cook. So, I got me a little whisk. A whisk. From Target. And then, I got a can opener. To open those cans, boo-boo. Okay, we gotta open them cans because we need them. Yeah, Target is a really good place to shop for sure. They do have some cheap kitchen supplies. That good quality. Excuse my background, I am in the process of moving. But admire the art if you would like. Yes. I'm trying to get this bag open. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to open. So hard to open. What is going on here? What's going on here? Okay, I got it. So this is a little heavy, but I got some plates from Big Lots, of course. I got some bowls, I got some small plates, I got some big plates. What you want? I got it. I got it, boo-boo, I got it. You want a bowl? I got you. You want a big, okay girl, I got you. And this was like, I seriously don't remember. I would say like 10 to 20 between there for a 12 piece. Good deal. Cause me, I didn't want to buy my stuff separately like that, so. It was good that I found a plate set and not like individual plates, because that's just more money I'm wasting and having to spend, and I nobody got time for that. But anyway, if you guys like this video, and if you guys want to see another apartment haul, let me know in the comment section down below. This will be another series on my channel. You know, I got my natural hair series, my little blogging series. I also will eventually be doing a learning how to cook series when I move. Let me know if you guys like that idea, because it's coming. It's in the works. It's in the works, boo boo. It's in the works. It's in the works. But yeah, so there will be a part 2 to this video. Stay tuned for it. I got you guys. I'm not going nowhere. Okay, we're gonna keep this consistency. We gotta do this. We gotta do this. I might take some breaks, but I ain't forgotten. So like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys like anything that I bought. What would you suggest? What places would you suggest me go to? And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Deuces. So, what's up, my nana ladies and gents? Welcome to another video. Hey, I told you I was lit. Hey, I told you I won't quit. Hey, watch you make this hit.